Hi everyone, if you watched my last video, you will know I have gotten a 3 month multiple entry Schengen visa and I used Belgium as my entry point. So this video is basically a step-by-step guide to what to do, how to fill in your details so that it'll be easy for you to do it by yourself. Sit back and get comfortable because this is about to be a long video. Before you even fill the online form, let's make sure that you have the basics, right? So you would need a valid passport. Now, they would say that your passport must not be expiring in the next 3 months, 3 to 6 months, I'm not sure. You'd need that. You'd need to have made your itinerary. That's your transport and your accommodation. So you need to get those sorted. For transport, you can either fly in, or if you're going from the UK, go via Eurostar. And then your accommodation, you can always book an accommodation. I mean, that has free cancellation so that you don't have to spend all your pay for it upfront, if that makes sense. And then you also have to have your travel insurance. However, you can do that after you filled the form online. You would also need your employment letter or your letter from your employer that states that you still work there. You need your proof of funds and then your pay slips. However, you don't need those whilst you're applying. You need it on the day of the biometrics slash submission. So once you have this, you're good to go.
So the very first thing you want to do is search. So you search for Belgium visa application and then click on that. Then scroll till you get to visa on web, because this is where you get to fill the form for the whole application, right? If you click on this one, the Belgium BE, you're just going to find the information. But if you click on this one, it takes you straight to where you log in, right? So I already have auto-filled login, so I just literally log in. Click on this now. It says complete and print your electronic application form. First step is to fill the form, fill it correctly, and then um, do this, you do that, and then you make an appointment. That's step 2. And then step 3, you lodge the application, and then the whole process goes from there. So we are going to click on step 1, create a new application form, and then you click on this, and then it brings this dialog box, and then you click on short stay or long stay. I did short stay, so you click on short stay, approve, um, and then you have to read this, and then I read it the first time. I'm not going to read it now. So you go back and then you click on approve, and then no, I'm human, and then this, and then we approve. And now we get to fill the actual form. So these boxes here are not highlighted, they are gray, because you don't have any business with this until after you have saved and submitted the application, right? So go on to your personal data, you enter your surname at birth if it has changed, first name, date of birth, place of birth, you know, current nationality, this, and then your national identity number. And then you click on the document type. I entered passport. Date of issue, you put that in. When it's valid to, who issued it. Mine was issued in Nigeria. So issuing country, you get to pick. See if it comes up, right? Yeah. And then your home address, postcode, telephone number, confirm the email, your current occupation, um then just click that. Then the visa type you're picking. So if it's an airport transit, but because I already clicked short stay before, long stay will not appear. So I click on short stay, choose category. I'm here for leisure, choose purpose, tourist travel, and then additional purpose, you can just write whatever description you want, but it's not very compulsory because there is no star on it. Choose member of state destination, Belgium. choose state of first entry. So is there any other country you're entering to? Obviously Belgium, because that's the country that's going to be your first. Number of entries requested: one, two, or multiple. I click on multiple, right? How many days you intend to stay? You put it there. Intended date of arrival in Schengen area, you put it, and the means of transportation: car, airplane, pick the train or whatever you want to pick. If you have previous fingerprints, you put the capture dates and the sticker number. This can be found on your passport if you've done like a previous Schengen visa, right? And then you put your accommodation, put the name, the street, enter all of these details. If it's an organization that is inviting you, put this. When I first did like my very first Schengen visa to Belgium, I was invited by a company, so I put in the company details, right? I put the company name and everything. But this one, so you literally just put it in, and then contact person, keep and all these details. Who is financing? Is it the company or you, or visa applicants, right? So you put in your name, and then if you're going in a group, you can click yes, so you can make for like as many people as are in your group. When I did mine with my husband, so our dates, everything were together. Do you get? When we went to apply, application time, everything was on the same day and time. So it was easy. We submitted together and then we got the documents together. And then when you're done, you click on save.
The moment you click on submit application, it takes you straight to the TLS website where you find date and time for your biometrics. You should be automatically redirected to the TLS website.
However, for cases when you want to check on your application, check on the status, check for requirement, documents required, or just check anything, you literally have to go to click on TLS Belgium, right? And then this pops up, and then visa application services for Belgium. Click on that, and then you see this, right? And then you see where you're applying from, or where am I applying from? I'm applying from the United Kingdom. Submit, confirm, select your center. I'm applying from London, and then it gives you this. Okay, cool. Yeah, it will ask you at the end, the visa on web form should be completed before the appointment booking for a visa. We've done that, right? So we go to this one, two, three bars on your right, and then click on that, and then it will ask you for application info, added value services, news, center information. If you want to log in, so I click on login, right? And then it redirects. If you go straight from visa on web, you are automatically redirected into the TLS website. I'm guessing it's because I don't have an existing application. Probably my application is done and my details have been deleted. I honestly don't know what it is. But once you redirect you into TLS, then you're able to pick your time, your date, and you are able to proceed. And that is how you apply for a multiple entry Schengen visa, step by step. Easy. You can do it at home, do it anywhere. Very convenient. If this video has helped you, please subscribe, like, comment, and share so that you can help other people. So now that I have gotten this visa and this abundance of time to explore Europe, watch out for all my travel videos, because best believe that you're getting them and I'm gonna post them. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.